or not, but here tonight I've got the Highlanders fan from Ondo to Zatuna. Welcome to the show. From my right hand here, I've got the Dynamos Timbare fan from Bari Harare. Welcome to the show. Right here tonight, I would like to ask first the Highlanders fan. What do you think about that comment?
Atina vela sifune kumbudu ngeke sicilwe esikhangele thina. Ngaso
Go
vele offside.
Igoyiwe. Iwe usatombo kuta kureza voice. Usatombo kuta kureza voice yako. Usatombo. Go.